Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford F150 headliner. First, ensure your workspace is clear and you have all the right tools. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your truck's battery. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts while you are working on the overhead components. Taking these initial precautions will make the entire removal process much smoother and safer for you. Next, prepare the cabin by removing all the accessories attached to the headliner. Start with the grab handles and sun visors, making sure to keep track of their screws or clips. Then, gently pry off the A, B, and C pillar trim panels. These often snap into place, so use a plastic trim tool to avoid damage. Finally, disconnect any electrical connectors for the overhead console and dome lights. Now, it's time to detach the headliner board itself. Carefully locate and remove any remaining retaining clips or screws that secure it to the roof. Once all fasteners are removed, gently lower the headliner a few inches. This allows you to inspect for any overlooked wiring harnesses or clips that might still be connected. Take your time to ensure everything is free before attempting to pull it down completely. With all connections free, carefully maneuver the headliner out of the truck. Often, the easiest way is through one of the front or rear door openings, depending on your F150's cab style. Once removed, take a moment to inspect the roof and wiring for any potential damage or debris. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring all clips, screws, and electrical connections are securely fastened for a professional finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.